Today I'm going to show you how to clean the condenser of this vehicle. This is a Mazda 3 or Mazda Axela. In order to clean the condenser, you have to remove the front bumper first. I have a video for that specifically for this vehicle. Just click the link on the screen or into the description box below to watch that video. First thing to do is to remove any loose debris, leaves, or anything that clogs the fins of the condenser. You can use a brush, paintbrush, or even a vacuum cleaner to remove those particles. Grab a large plastic bag to cover the engine. Put it in between the engine and the radiator, just to prevent water from getting into the engine. Then start washing the condenser with water. Grab your own coil cleaner and start spraying or pouring into the whole area of your condenser. Grab a soft bristle toothbrush and start brushing. Be careful not to bend the cooling fins as you brush. After brushing, you can let it sit for a few minutes. Then rinse it well with water. Repeat if necessary. Once you're done, you can take the plastic bag away and return everything back together. Car's condenser requires a specific cleaning solution which is safe to use for the condenser. Rinse it with the water. While rinsing it, you can clearly see how much improved bumper of this vehicle. Just click the link on the screen if you want to watch that video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching.